Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the RSI Trend Catcher indicator signal on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us identify the start of a trend using the RSI indicator as well as moving average and Bollinger Bands. When the RSI is below the 50 line, it is displayed in red, and above the 50 line it is shown in green. When compression in price is observed using the Bollinger Bands.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
And moving average indicators, we have these yellow points here, and as soon as the price exits the compression, it identifies the start of the trend and gives us a signal. For example, here we have the start of a downward trend. And as an example, here is the start of an upward trend. After this compression, the green points indicate an upward trend. And after compression, the red points indicate a downward trend. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the RSI indicator period. The next option is the price, on which we calculate the RSI, which can be selected from these options. The next option is the Bollinger Bands indicator period and also its deviation, which we can specify. The next option is the moving average period and also its shift, which we can specify. The next option is the ATR period and also the multiplier that is applied to the ATR. These parameters are used for identifying compression. The next option allows us to specify the buy level and sell level on the chart here for when both are the same, like here where both are 50. We have this situation, but if, for example, we set the buy level to 60 and the sell level to 40, the area between 40 and 60 is identified as a neutral zone. The last setting is for alerts, which if set to true, will issue an alert when a trend starts, for example, a downward trend here. However, if it is set to false, it will not perform this action. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In conclusion, if you have any feedback or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.